Chandler's mom was beaten half to death in a home invasion last week. He was granted compassionate leave. Before we left Saudi Arabia, someone gave him $250,000. Told him if he delivered it to an address in Los Angeles, they wouldn't go back and finish his mother off.
I'm 32, Mr. Dunn. And I'm here celebrating the fact that I just spent another year scraping dishes and waitressing, which is what I've been doing since 13.
An addiction. That's exactly what it was. First time I thought about it, my mind thought, I wonder what it would be like to try it. And so one day I did, and I kept it a secret. Not to offend counsel, but even though we were married once, in there, I don't look at you like my ex-husband, partner, or otherwise. I am to be the only point person you'll be in contact with, regardless of who tries to reach you first, all right?
I've made myself available to you all these years, but something has changed. Call it my gut feeling.
Nothing's changed. Everything's the same. I'm not doing anything that's putting you in real danger this time.